Daylight Time. At 9:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Waxahachie, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted: Maypeel, Foreston, 5 Points, and Avalon. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 385 and 395. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local